I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is MetForm. Select a form. Click Next. Search and select Mailercloud. Give here the API key, so click on Visit here. Create API key. Give here the API name. Generate key. Copy the API key from here and paste it here. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Now click on Next. Select a list. Select contact type. Map the respective fields. Click on Next. Finish and save it. Now go to your form and type some information. And submit the form. The form is successfully submitted. Now go to the Mailercloud. And you can see the data came successfully in Mailercloud. Thanks for watching.